Following its official launch, the first sale of the OPPO Reno14 series was held at the OPPO Gallery in Gandaria City. The first sale event for the OPPO Reno14 series was made even more exciting by the presence of Cinta Laura, brand ambassador for the Reno series, and special performances by Tenxi and Indarkus. I'm super excited to take over the OPPO Gallery today. The energy is incredible, and the fans are so enthusiastic that they're willing to wait in long lines just to unbox the Reno14. Cinta also explains some of the features of the OPPO Reno14 series that are perfect for today's young people. What are the standout features of the latest Reno series? And what bonuses are available during the first sale? The OPPO Reno14 series comes with superior camera features and design. One of the superior features it offers is AI flash photography, which combines 3 super bright flashlights on the back for low-light photos that remain bright, clear, and natural. As for the design, the OPPO Reno14 series features a mermaid design with colorful shimmering effects that change depending on the angle of the light. The mermaid design is available in the color options opal white and glossy pink. Besides the design, when I was a child, one of my favorite Disney princesses was Ariel. I wanted to be a mermaid. I absolutely love the mermaid design. It's truly my mermaid crush, said Cinta. In addition to these 2 advantages, the OPPO Reno14 also has other advantages. Like the Reno14 Pro, it supports MediaTek Dimensity 8450. This chipset comes with an all-big core CPU, multi-core performance increased by up to 41%, and power consumption reduced by 44% compared to its predecessor. The ARM Mali G720 GPU also boosts graphics performance by 24% with 42% better power efficiency. During the initial sales period, customers can enjoy total benefits worth up to $183, including a 3-month subscription to Google AI Pro and 2 terabytes of cloud storage for purchases of the Reno14 Pro 5G and Reno14 5G. OPPO also offers 0% installment plans and cashback of up to $45 from partner banks, special offers from operators, and various exclusive vouchers from partners that can be redeemed via the My OPPO app. In addition to attractive promotions, OPPO also presents an experience booth so visitors can try out the Reno14 series' outstanding features firsthand. There is also the Reno14 Let's Hangout photo contest, a hangout spot at Finder's Cafe, where the photo contest offers a meet and greet with Cinta Laura as a prize. For pricing, the OPPO Reno14 Pro 5G with 12GB RAM and 512GB internal storage is officially priced at $674. The Reno14 5G variant with 12GB RAM and 512GB internal storage, and the 8GB RAM with 256GB internal storage variant are priced at $490 and $459 respectively. The Reno14F 5G is priced at $428 for the 12GB RAM variant with 512GB internal storage, $367 for the 12GB RAM variant with 256GB internal storage, and $343 for the 8GB RAM variant with 256GB internal storage.